this video, we will see the expansion formulas. So this is part 2. Now here we have given the formula as x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus in bracket a plus b into x plus ab. Now we will use this formula and solve some examples. Now first example is x plus 2 into x plus 3. So now here if we observe this equation with this, then we will get that here the value of a is 2, value of b is 3, and we will put these values into this formula. So here we will write that formula, that x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Now here this x remains same, so therefore we will not change it. So here it is x square plus we will only put the value of a and b. So here the value of a is 2, value of b is 3, x remains as it is, value of a is 2 into value of b is 3. So here x square 2 plus 3 it is 5x plus 3 into 2 it is 6. Now in this way we solved this example. Now let's see another example by using the same formula. Now second example, a plus 2 into a minus 1. Now if we observe this equation with this formula, we write that formula here also. So that x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So here the value of x same in both brackets, so that is x is equal to a. Next the value of a is equal to 2, value of b is equal to, here it is plus b, but here the value is minus 1, so it is minus 1. Now we put all these values into this equation. So our equation is a plus 2 into a minus 1 is equal to x square, so it is a square plus the value of a is 2, value of b is minus 1, so here it is plus minus 1. The value of x is a plus value of a is 2 and value of b is minus 1. Now a square plus 2 plus minus 1, so it is plus minus, it is minus, so it is 2 minus a plus 2 into minus 1, so it is 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2. So here it is a square plus 2 minus 1, it is 1, so therefore it is a, and this plus into minus, it is minus 2. So our answer is a square plus a minus 2. Now we will see the third equation with this formula. Now our third example is 13 plus x into 13 minus x. Now this example we can solve with two methods. Now here we will see the method which we are using here, the formula we are using here. So by using that we will see it, that x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is our formula. Now here the value of x is equal to 13, value of a is equal to x, and value of b is equal to minus x, because here it is plus b, here the value is minus x. So we will put these values into this formula. So our equation will be 13 plus x into 13 minus x is equal to x square. So the value of x is 13. So it is 13 square plus the value of a is x, value of b is minus x. So it is minus x. So the value of x is 13 plus value of a is x, value of b is minus x. Now we will solve it. 13 square, it is 169 plus it is x plus into minus, it will be minus. So x minus x into 13 plus x into minus x, it is minus x square. So 169 x minus x, it is 0. So we will not write it, and minus x square. So it is 169 minus x square. So this is our one method. Now we will solve it by using second method. Now previously in the last video we have seen that expansion formula part 1. In that video we have seen one formula, that is x plus a into x minus a is equal to x square minus a square. So same we can use here, that 13 plus x and 13 minus x. So here the value of x is, here the value of x is equal to 13 and the value of a is equal to how much? It is x. So here x square, so it means the value of x is 13 square minus value of x is x square. So it is 169, 13 square is 169 minus x square. So in this way we can solve this example with two methods. Now we will see our next example. The next example is 9x minus 5t into 9x plus 3t. Now this is our example. We will first write the formula in which it fits. So that is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus in bracket a plus b into x plus ab. So we observe this formula with this. Now here x is common in both brackets. In this way 9x is common. Then a is equal to minus 5t and b is equal to 3t. So this b is equal to 3t, a is equal to this minus 5t. So we put these values into this equation. So that's why here the value is 9x minus 5t into 9x plus 3t. We put these values into this equation. So here it is x square. So it is 9x whole square plus value of a is minus 5t plus value of b is plus 3t. Value of x, it is 9x. So it is multiplied by 9x plus the value of a is minus 5t, value of b is 3t. Now 9x whole square, it means it is 9 square and x square plus minus 5 3t plus 3t. So here it is subtraction. So if we subtract 5 minus 3, it is 2t, and here the sign of largest value. So here largest value is 5t, its sign is negative, so that's why it is negative. So 2t into this 9x plus 5 into 3, it is 15 minus 15 t square. T into t, it is t square. So again we solve it. 9 square, it is 81 x square minus 9 into 2, it is 9 2s are 16. So it is 16 xt and this plus into minus, it is minus 15t square. So we got the answer that 81 x square minus 16, sorry 9 2s are 18. So it is 18 tx minus 15t square. Now the next example, the fifth example. X plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. So here, according to the formula or according to the equation which we have solved here, third equation, we have written the two methods. This is first method and this is second method. By using these two methods, we solve this example. In the same way, here we can also solve the same example with this example with these two methods. First, we will see the first method. It means this method. The formula x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Now here, the value of x, it remains same. Value of a is equal to 1 by x and value of b is equal to minus 1 by x. So we put these values into this equation. So our equation is x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x is equal to x square remains as it is plus the value of a is 1 divided by x, 1 by x. Value of b is minus, so this is plus b, but the value of b is minus. So it is minus 1 by x multiplied by x plus the value of a is 1 by x and value of b is minus 1 by x. So here it's multiplication and here it is subtraction. So here it is x square plus the denominator is same, so that's why it is 1 minus 1 divided by x into x plus this plus into minus, it will be minus 1 by x, 1 by x. So it is 1 by x into x, it is x square. So 1 by x square. So here it is x square. 1 minus 1, it is 0. 0 into x, it is 0. So we will not write this term because it is 0. So this is minus, plus into minus, it is minus. So minus 1 by x square. So this is our first method. Now our second method. In second method, we use the formula that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here the values of a and b, it remains same. In the same way, here we can see this x and 1 by x. These values are same, only the sign changes. So therefore, value of a is x and value of b is 1 by x. Now here we will not write it is whether it is plus 1 by x or minus 1 by x. So we put these values into this formula. So we will get that 1 divided by x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x is equal to a square. So the value of a is x. So it is x square minus value of b is 1 by x whole square, and we will solve it. So it is x square minus 1 by x square. So in this way we can solve it.